Master the perfect ChatGPT prompt formula in just 9 minutes. Welcome to our video on mastering the perfect ChatGPT prompt formula in just 9 minutes. Crafting effective ChatGPT prompts is crucial for generating engaging and relevant AI-generated content. In this video, we will dive into the importance of creating compelling prompts that yield accurate and coherent responses from ChatGPT. Throughout this tutorial, viewers can expect to learn valuable tips and techniques to enhance their prompt writing skills, ultimately improving the quality of interactions with AI models like ChatGPT. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to structure prompts effectively to achieve desired outcomes and maximize the potential of AI-generated content. Get ready to unlock the secrets of crafting the perfect ChatGPT prompts as we guide you through this informative and engaging journey. Understanding ChatGPT prompts. ChatGPT prompts serve as the input or instructions given to the AI model to generate responses or complete tasks. They play a crucial role in guiding ChatGPT to produce accurate and relevant outputs based on the provided context. Crafting effective prompts is essential for eliciting coherent and meaningful responses from the AI. A well-constructed ChatGPT prompt typically consists of a clear and concise description of the desired outcome, relevant context or background information, and specific instructions or questions for the AI model to follow. By breaking down the elements of a prompt and understanding how each component influences the AI's response, users can optimize their interactions with ChatGPT and achieve more tailored and accurate outputs. For example, effective ChatGPT prompts may vary depending on the desired task, such as generating creative writing, answering questions, or providing recommendations. By exploring different scenarios and examples of well-crafted prompts, users can gain insights into structuring prompts for optimal results across various applications and use cases. Crafting engaging prompts. When it comes to ChatGPT prompts, clarity and specificity are key factors in generating accurate and relevant AI responses. Clear and specific prompts provide ChatGPT with the necessary information and context to understand the user's intent and deliver meaningful outputs. Ambiguity in prompts can lead to confusion and inaccurate responses from the AI model. To create engaging and effective prompts, it's essential to be clear about the desired outcome and provide specific details or instructions for ChatGPT to follow. Tailoring prompts to the desired responses involves using precise language, asking direct questions, and providing relevant context to guide the AI model in generating accurate content. By demonstrating examples of engaging prompts that elicit informative AI-generated content, users can learn how to structure prompts effectively to achieve their desired outcomes. Through thoughtful crafting and strategic wording, users can unlock the full potential of ChatGPT and enhance their interactions with AI-generated content. Optimizing prompt length and complexity. Finding the right balance between prompt length and complexity is crucial for effective communication with ChatGPT. The length of a prompt can significantly impact the quality and relevance of AI-generated responses. While concise prompts can help ChatGPT focus on the main task at hand, overly lengthy prompts may dilute the intended message and lead to confusion. Maintaining an optimal level of complexity in prompts is equally important. Complex prompts with too many details or convoluted instructions can overwhelm ChatGPT and result in less coherent outputs. By simplifying language and structuring prompts in a clear and straightforward manner, users can enhance the AI's understanding and improve response accuracy. To optimize prompt length and complexity, it's essential to tailor the level of detail and intricacy based on the desired output. Strategies such as breaking down complex prompts into smaller, more digestible segments or providing additional context when needed can help users effectively communicate with ChatGPT and achieve desired outcomes. Utilizing keywords and context. Keywords and context play a vital role in enhancing the effectiveness of ChatGPT prompts by providing valuable cues for the AI model to generate accurate and contextually relevant responses. Incorporating relevant keywords in prompts is essential for guiding ChatGPT towards the desired topic or theme, helping the AI understand the user's intent and generate more precise outputs. Context is equally important in shaping the AI's understanding and response. By providing background information, setting the scene, or offering additional context within prompts, users can help ChatGPT grasp the context of the conversation and produce more coherent and insightful content. To improve prompt quality, users can strategically incorporate keywords and context into their prompts to align with the desired outcomes. By showcasing examples of how keywords and context can be integrated effectively, users can enhance their interactions with ChatGPT and optimize the AI-generated responses for better engagement and relevance. Practical examples and exercises. Get ready to dive into the world of crafting ChatGPT prompts through practical exercises and real-world examples. To master the art of creating effective prompts, viewers will engage in hands-on exercises designed to sharpen their prompt writing skills. These exercises will provide opportunities to practice structuring prompts, incorporating keywords and setting the right context to elicit desired responses from ChatGPT. By analyzing real-world examples of prompts and their corresponding AI-generated responses, viewers can gain valuable insights into the impact of prompt formulation on the quality of outputs. Observing how different prompt styles influence the AI's responses will help viewers understand the nuances of crafting effective prompts tailored to specific tasks and objectives. Through experimentation and exploration of various prompt styles, viewers are encouraged to unleash their creativity and refine their prompt writing techniques to optimize interactions with ChatGPT and achieve desired outcomes. Tips for prompt refinement. Refining and iterating on ChatGPT prompts is a dynamic process that involves continuous learning and adaptation to achieve desired results. One valuable tip for prompt refinement is to analyze initial AI responses and identify areas for improvement. By reviewing the outputs generated by ChatGPT, users can pinpoint any inconsistencies, inaccuracies, or gaps in the prompts and make necessary adjustments to enhance the quality of responses. The iterative process of tweaking prompts is essential for refining the communication between users and ChatGPT. By experimenting with different prompt structures, wording, and levels of complexity, users can iteratively refine their prompts to optimize the AI's understanding and generate more accurate and relevant content. To foster continuous learning and adaptation in prompt creation, it's important to stay open to feedback, explore new techniques, and remain flexible in adjusting prompt strategies based on the evolving needs and objectives. By embracing a growth mindset and actively seeking opportunities for improvement, users can refine their prompt writing skills and maximize the potential of ChatGPT interactions. As we wrap up our exploration of mastering ChatGPT prompt formulation, let's recap the key points discussed. Crafting effective prompts is essential for guiding ChatGPT to generate accurate and relevant responses. By incorporating keywords, providing context, and refining prompts through iterative processes, users can enhance their interactions with AI models like ChatGPT and achieve desired outcomes. We encourage you to take action and apply the tips and techniques shared in this video to refine your prompt writing skills. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more valuable content on ChatGPT and AI technologies. Keep the momentum going by exploring related topics, engaging in hands-on exercises, and continuously honing your ChatGPT skills. Thank you for joining us on this journey to unlock the full potential of ChatGPT prompt formulation.